Make affiliate marketing easier with this advice. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training costs is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. By setting up a profile for your company on various social media platforms, you can help bring more traffic to your site. Many people trust social media and use it for recommendations and information, so having an active profile that regularly offers new content can help boost your site's rank and draw in more potential customers. Offering gifts on your affiliate website is a way of attracting visitors. The gifts should be related to the merchant's product line. You may want to offer low-cost accessories subsidized by the merchant and invite the customer to purchase the main product from your retailer. You can even urge your visitors to buy the merchant's products by offering the gift after a certain number of purchases. In conclusion, you learned not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have a goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Student loan.